Hey there, fellow explorers, and welcome. Are you ready for a totally awesome adventure? Today, we're going to blast off to see just how huge our universe is, and then we're going to discover something even more amazing right inside your own head. Let's get this countdown started.
Okay, first things first, I've got a question for you. Just think for a second. What's something that's kind of bugging you today? Maybe it's a super tricky homework problem, or maybe you can't find your favorite action figure. You got something? Okay, good. Hold on to that thought.
You want to know what one grown-up was worried about? Their phone battery getting low. Isn't that just so silly? We all have these little worries that feel like the biggest deal in the world at the time. But now, let's zoom out. I mean, way, way, way out. We're going to see what our little worries look like from the middle of deep space.
So, on one side, we've got our list of worries. The phone battery, the homework, all that stuff. But over on the other side, what does the gigantic, sparkling, amazing universe notice about all that? Absolutely nothing. It's just so big, it doesn't even see our little problems. Looking up at the night sky is kind of like the universe giving you a big, gentle hug and whispering, hey, it's going to be okay. Don't sweat the small stuff. But get this. Did you know the stars are sending us secret messages? Yeah, messages from the past. Let's zoom in on one of those little twinkles up there and see what I'm talking about. You see that little dot of light way up there? We all know what it is, right? It's a star. A giant, fiery ball of gas burning super far away. Seems pretty simple. Or is it? So what if I told you that the star you're looking at right now might not even exist anymore? Whoa, how is that possible? How can we see something that's already gone? Sounds kind of like a magic trick, doesn't it? Well, the answer is just how incredibly, mind-bogglingly big space is. The light from that star has been traveling for a super, super long time just to reach your eyes. How long, you ask? Well, it could be millions of years. That's like the slowest mail delivery ever. So think about this. That star could have actually burned out a long, long time ago. The little twinkle of light we're seeing tonight is the last little goodbye wave it sent out before it disappeared. We are literally looking into the past. I mean, how cool is that? Okay, I know. Thinking about how big space is can make you feel kind of small. But you know what? It also shows us just how incredibly special we really are. Let's zoom back in on our amazing home. I love this way of thinking about it. We can feel totally tiny and super, super special at the exact same time. It's kind of like being one single, unique, sparkly sprinkle on a giant cosmic cupcake. I mean, as far as we know, our little blue planet is the only place in the whole universe with awesome things like laughing with your friends, playing tag at the park, adorable puppies, and yeah, coffee for the grown-ups. Just think about it. In all that enormous, dark, quiet space, our planet is just buzzing with life and fun and hot chocolate. We are literally living on a treasure island, floating in a giant cosmic ocean. But you know what might be the most incredible thing in the entire universe? It's not a star, or a planet, or even a galaxy. It's a question. The really amazing thing isn't just that there are cool things out there in space. It's the fact that we, tiny little humans on our little floating rock, looked up at the sky and got curious enough to ask about it, to want to go find out what was up there. These three little words, what's out there? This simple question is maybe the most powerful force in the entire universe. It's the question that kicks off every great adventure and every incredible discovery. It's the beginning of everything. And this is how our awesome power of curiosity works. It's like a superpower, for real. First, you just ask a question. Then, you go looking for the answer. You explore, you read, you learn, and finally, boom! You understand your world a little bit better. Curiosity is the engine that pushes us forward. And now, we get to the best part. There is a secret connection between that huge growing universe and your amazing growing brain. So scientists have figured out that the universe is always getting bigger. It's expanding. But guess what? So is your sense of wonder. Every single time you learn something new or ask a new question, your world gets bigger and brighter and way more exciting. So here's my challenge for you today. Go out and be an explorer. Never stop asking questions. Stay curious. Because the universe is packed with amazing wonders, and the biggest one just might be you. So what new thing will you wonder about today?